Hey everyone, Tucker here from James Hood Guitar. We're going to show you a quick tip today. It's about as simple as it gets for working on guitars, but we're going to show you how we like to change strings. I'm just going to show you one, but we'll just get right into it. We're going to do an acoustic guitar. Something worth mentioning on acoustic guitars is you want to make sure the string here slides through the slot here. And it has to go all the way up and press on the bottom of the bridge plate on the inside of the guitar. So grab a pair of pliers, grab the ball end here, and just give it a nice bend, just like that, so it stays bent. That'll help when you put it in and you insert the bridge pin. You pull the string up, and it pops right up onto the plate. It doesn't. You don't have to fight it like you would if you didn't bend it. So that helps. Then we're going to put the string through the first low E here. I like to use my hand as a gauge on the 12th fret. I put my hand all the way up and kind of extend my thumb as much as I can. And I'll tighten that and I'll bend the string right here around the post. So that sets my distance. Then I'll get a little string winder here and start wrapping it. You're going to go first pass. I'm going to try to show the first pass. This tail string is going to wrap under right there, and then I'll pull it up. And then the following passes, the string goes underneath that tail string. And then we get it nice and tight. This top string is over the bottom string there, and it's actually locking this string in place. So you're locking the string in, and there's no chance of it slipping. When you tighten it, it just clamps the two together. So that's a really clean, easy way to tie your strings without wrapping them around the post. Sorry about my camera work there. But it's a clean, easy way to do it. It looks nice, and it locks the string in place. Keep your tuning nice and stable. So now I'll cut the string nice and flush so no one's getting poked. And we are all set. We'll just do that a couple more times. So thanks for watching. Check out James Hood Guitar on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Subscribe to us and we'll give you more of these quick tips.
If you have some more ideas on some quick fix tips that you'd like to see, leave it in the comments below. Take care.